Today we're exploring the journey of Chevy Chase, the comedy legend and original Saturday Night Live breakout star who redefined deadpan humor for a generation. From his iconic roles in Caddyshack and National Lampoon's Vacation to his later resurgence as Pierce Hawthorne on Community, Chase has spent over 5 decades as one of the most recognizable and often most polarizing figures in Hollywood. So, where is Chevy Chase now? Let's find out. Chevy Chase is enjoying a semi-retired life while remaining a staple on the nostalgia and fan convention circuit. After years of public feuds with former co-stars and a 2021 stint in the hospital for a heart-related issue, the 82-year-old actor has significantly slowed down his filming schedule to focus on his health and family. He spent much of late 2025 traveling across North America for an Evening with Chevy Chase events, where he hosts live screenings of Christmas Vacation, followed by Q&A sessions with fans. While he has largely stepped away from the toxic environment of major TV sets that he famously criticized in the past, Chase hasn't completely left the industry. In early 2026, he remains active on social media, often sharing lighthearted videos from his home in Bedford, New York, where he lives with his wife of over 40 years, Janie. He has also embraced his status as a comedy elder statesman, recently appearing in a cameo for a high-profile streaming comedy special and continuing to record voice work for various animated projects. Where is Chevy Chase now? As of now, Chevy Chase is residing in his quiet estate in Westchester County, New York. He is currently preparing for a series of international fan appearances scheduled for the spring of 2026, including stops in the UK and Australia. While he is no longer seeking the high-pressure leading roles of his youth, he remains a frequent guest on comedy podcasts and is reportedly collaborating on a definitive autobiographical project that aims to set the record straight on his long and storied career. Professionally, his most recent film work includes a role in the upcoming indie comedy The Last Laugh 2, currently in post-production. Off-screen, he remains a dedicated supporter of various environmental charities and the Chevy Chase Community Center, continuing a legacy of philanthropy that often goes overlooked in favor of his grumpy public persona. Chevy Chase has transformed from the frantic fall guy of the 70s into a relaxed, if still sharp-tongued, Hollywood veteran. While he continues to prove that he is no longer interested in fitting into the neat little box of a modern sitcom star, he remains a beloved icon to millions of fans who still see him as the ultimate Clark Griswold. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite legends and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.